UBonginkosi Khanyile oyilungu le-MK usegxibhe ababemhleka mhla eshumayela elokuthi uZuma noma kanjani uzoba khona kwi-ballot paper. Uthi laba babembukisa okohlanyo abaqhubeke phela bambukisa okohlanyo. Nangu uZuma ungenile kwi-ballot paper, Umkhonto Wesizwe, logo iyavela. Zizwele.
Yami namhlanje imudi yami, I'm the man of peace. Peace. Peace amongst the oppressed. War against the enemy. The enemy must be crushed. Comrades, friends, family lovers, angijabule kanje. Angijabule kanje. Angijabule kanje. I'm excited. Very excited. In fact, la kumele ngijoyine la sixoxe la. Irene Rocky. Pelelani Carlos. I'm the man of peace. I'm the man of peace. Finally. Phone. Khona ufuna ngicela ningafoni bafowethu, ningafoni ngidibhiza apha. Gqom believe we'll talk after this live. We'll definitely come to Nelspruit. Siyeza. Tabani Joyisa, yes, 2/3 majority. Igama lami lelo Bonginkosi Gift Education madoda 2/3 majority. Khanyile igama lami lelo. Bafowethu officially the IEC officially the IEC has made a public pronunciation officially that on the 29th of May 2024, President Jacob Mhlanganyelwa Gedleyihlekisa Zuma will be on the ballot. Uthi nginiphindele. Officially the IEC, not Bonginkosi Khanyile, not MKU clique leadership and membership. The IEC has said officially President Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Mhlanganyelwa Zuma will be on the ballot on the 29th of May 2024. Ngicela nonke naningithuka la. Nithuka ningiclick, niphakamisa izandla. Hayi, ngifuna Khanyile uphehla udlame nale uclick yakhe ebhedayo. Umdlwembe. Hey, ngeke. UZuma unamacala kanjani indaba aphoqa inkani. Ngicela niphakamisa izandla nonke la. Bonginkosi unodlame, le uclick inodlame. Hey, this a democratic institution. You cannot threaten. We said a few weeks back, we said on the 29th, President Jacob Zuma will be on the ballot. Officially, his face, we'll see it there. And the logo of MK, we will see it there on the 29th. Because we have a right to choose. As MK members, we have a right to be represented by an individual of our own choice, which is President Jacob Zuma. We also have a right to have a logo of our own choosing, this one, of MK, on the ballot. And nobody must tamper with those rights. Nobody. Not IEC, not anyone. Because those rights are enshrined in Chapter 2 of the Constitution, which is the Bill of Rights, which are fundamental rights. Freedom of choice, freedom of association, freedom of choosing. We are choosing Zuma as our candidate. We are choosing this logo as our MK logo. Some characters were taking us to court. And we have won. And we said, failure to if you want to tamper, if the IEC wanted to tamper with our democratic rights, we are prepared to lay down our lives in defense of our rights. What is that right? To have Jacob Zuma on the ballot and to have MK on the ballot. Bonkosi, you are violent. Bonkosi, you are untransformed. Bonkosi, you sound like an uneducated person. You are, peace. Hey. Uzobuyele ejele ke khona ngiboshelana. Nakho nje uIEC uvulana nami. Siyavumelana. uZuma uzobe sekubhaloti ibhaloti ilokho kuzobe kuyile iMK esivotelayo. Sekuhamba ngamagama enkehlike manje. Exactly like the youth league of MK said. It's happening. We thank the IEC for becoming sober on their decision making and taking a correct decision. But here we are celebrating. Let's go to election peacefully, hugging each other. Ramaphosa this side and ANC. President Jacob Hlanganyelwa Zuma this side and Umkhonto weSizwe. The others I won't even count. These elections are too serious. Kunjalo. Ayikunjalo. So let's go in. We are happy. We are jubilant. We are over. We are all over. We are unstoppable. Angisayishaya izandla senithuli la nisangena kwi live nisho uthi hawu ayiwasho nayilwa you fought a good answer say you fought and you have won. We've won, win done. Uzuma kwiballot manje kunjani manje? Hayi wena bonkosi uzoboshwa uZuma kumele abe kwiballot waqeda amathema amabili uZuma ka qualify lento yenza uphehla udlame wena uzobuyela ejele wena bonkosi hayi ngeke ansasho abantu zeyibonkosi kodwa nkosi yami kodwa kodwa hayi ansasho manje nitholi nihobile kodwa kulungile bafowethu asihlanganeni ngeyilo nge-29 sesokwenza into right. We are voting for President Jacob Zuma on the 29th. We are voting for MK for simple reason. EPWP workers must be official employees. Education must be free for everyone. The truck driving industry must first prioritize South African drivers before they can prioritize foreign drivers. No security guard must be paid less than 10,000. No cleaners must be paid less than 10,000 in official institutions. You can't have a cleaner in an institution and you think a cleaner is less important than a person who's a secretary of the institution. Any company, any institution, the money you pay into a person who is a secretariat must also be money you pay to a cleaner. Young people, when you get the age of 18, you must all go to a military training. All of you. You get that 1 year experience of discipline, of falling in love with your country, of being able to defend your country, of knowing the feeling and the posture of patriotism as an individual. Hak siya military training. Wana 18 nje uyayeka ukulusa inkomo. Uye enkambini yamasosha. Uyayeka ukuhlala isitolo seSulumane lapha eMlazi lapha uHobe lapha ngaphansi kwesitolo seSulumane una 18. Qeda umatric ziye enkambini yamasosha. Graduates, if you are a graduate and the government cannot find work to you, fundela ngithi kwathiwa for you to be successful hambe esikoleni ufunde uqede usihloniphe uhloniphile wasonta wayimisela wathola ama qualification uhulumeni akasenawo umsebenzi wakho akumele ngabe ukunika wona ngoba manje usifundiswa manje you must be paid according to your degree that you have. There must be an unemployed graduates grant. More you graduate uhole ukuthi ngoba uhulumeni uyahluleka ukunika umsebenzi uqedile manje wafunda waqedwa hlala eminyaka enyuvesi kodwa usebenza. Siyajika izinto. Zezi 29. Amaphoyisa nothisha must get dignified salaries. Othisha nje inkinga ukuthi uthisha ngempela ahola imali engekho abukeleke phansi kodwa uyena umuntu oproducer ubonkosi wakhanyile lokhuluma isingisi esikhulu kangaka ngasifundisa ukuthisha njengoba ngisikhipa ngamakhadi eskiza ngikhuluma lesencwadi lesathisha ngikhuluma lesi TV le noma lesa TikTok ngishaya lesesikole sama degree. So we need that teachers must be paid dignified salaries. Police officers must be paid dignified salaries. Kumele kube yichilo ukuthi iphoyisa licela u30 ngoba wenza drink and driving selicela ama30. Asisho ukuthi right ukuthi bathathe umgwazelo necorruption kodwa sometimes omunye usuke elambe ngempela ngana ngisho imali yokugibela because they are paid less than what they are supposed to be paid. So comrades, forces, friends, girlfriends, lovers, boyfriends. Ngijabula uZuma uzobe kwiballot simvotela. Hayi uthi ngithule futhi. Azothi ngithule. Sathini bathini bodwa. Bathini ngeke lento niyasangana ngeke sebethule manje. Ukhulumile ayisi wathi asi right bebe wrong bona ondaba kayikhona wayikhomba ubuya nodaka